Hey, yes you. Are you ready to supercharge your career with the hottest digital skills? Listen up, because this is a golden opportunity for you. Here is an opportunity for you to become a data analyst through our partially funded scholarship training on data analysis. By the way, my name is Joy. Don't let this chance pass you by. It's time to dive into the exciting world of data. In this practical hands-on training, you will master skills you need to become a data analyst. You will learn things like introduction to data analysis using Excel, data analysis using Microsoft Power BI, infographics, that is visualizing data in infographics, which can be done either by CorelDRAW or Canva. Ready to take the plunge? You can visit our website for more information on our scholarship training on data analysis. You can also visit any of our physical offices for more inquiries or call the numbers displayed on your screen. So why wait? Time is running out, and seize this opportunity to level up your digital skills before the year ends. Your data-driven future is just a click away. And before I go, data analysis is one of those digital skills in high demand. So this is an opportunity for you to learn data analysis before the year ends. Bye.